Earning money online is an appealing idea for many, and leveraging Google News is one potential method to achieve this. This video will explore how you can potentially earn $100 every 30 minutes using Google News, step by step. We'll cover everything from setting up your resources to creating and promoting content effectively. This method primarily revolves around content creation, affiliate marketing, and driving traffic through Google News. Understanding Google News. Google News is a news aggregator service developed by Google. It presents a continuous flow of links to articles organized from thousands of publishers and magazines. While Google News itself doesn't pay you, it can be a powerful tool to drive traffic to your content. This traffic can then be monetized through various means, such as affiliate marketing, ad revenue, or selling products and services. Identifying your niche. The first step to making money using Google News is to identify a profitable niche. Your niche should ideally be something you are passionate about and has a good audience. Popular niches include technology, health and wellness, personal finance, lifestyle, travel, education. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to set up your platform. Setting up your platform. You'll need a website or a blog to publish your content. Here's a quick guide to setting up a basic WordPress site. Choose a domain and hosting. Select a domain name that reflects your niche. Use reliable hosting services like Bluehost, SiteGround, or HostGator. Install WordPress. Most hosting services offer one-click WordPress installation. Select a theme. Choose a professional-looking theme. There are many free and paid themes available that can make your site look attractive. Install essential plugins. Plugins like Yoast SEO for search engine optimization, Google Analytics for tracking your traffic, and social sharing plugins are essential. Creating quality content. Content is king. To leverage Google News, you need to create high-quality, relevant, and engaging content. Here are some tips for creating content that can attract readers. Research trending topics. Use tools like Google Trends, BuzzSumo, or the trending section in Google News to find hot topics in your niche. Write compelling headlines. Headlines are crucial. They should be catchy and include keywords that people are searching for. Ensure readability. Use short paragraphs, bullet points, and images to make your articles easy to read. Originality. Your content should be original and provide value. Avoid plagiarism at all costs. Leveraging Google News for traffic. To get your content featured on Google News, you need to follow their guidelines and ensure your site meets their standards. Submit your site to Google News. You can submit your site for inclusion in Google News. Make sure your site complies with Google News content policies. Follow Google's technical guidelines. This includes having a clear site structure, using proper HTML tags, and ensuring your site is mobile-friendly. Publish regularly. Consistency is key. Regular updates can help you get indexed by Google News. Monetizing your traffic. Once you start getting traffic from Google News, here are some ways to monetize it. Affiliate marketing. Promote products related to your niche and earn a commission on sales. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or individual companies' affiliate programs. Ad revenue. Use ad networks like Google AdSense or Media.net to display ads on your site and earn money based on clicks or impressions. Sponsored posts. Companies might pay you to write articles about their products or services. Sell products, services. If you have your products or services, you can promote them on your site. Promoting your content. Promotion is crucial to ensure your content reaches a broader audience. Here are some strategies. Social media. Share your articles on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. Email marketing. Build an email list and send newsletters with your latest articles. SEO. Optimize your content for search engines to get organic traffic. This includes using relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and alt tags for images. Networking. Collaborate with other bloggers and influencers in your niche to promote each other's content. Analyzing and improving. Regularly analyze your traffic and earnings to understand what's working and what's not. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your visitors, their behavior, and which sources are driving the most traffic. Make adjustments based on your findings to improve your strategies continuously. Scaling up. Once you've mastered the basics and started earning consistently, you can scale up your efforts by hiring writers. Expand your content production by hiring freelance writers. Diversifying niches. Start additional sites in different niches to diversify your income streams.